These 5 faceless YouTube niches can pay you daily. Even if you don't show your face, use your voice, or have any editing skills. With just free AI tools and 1 hour a day, you can start a faceless YouTube channel that brings in $100 to $500 a day. Here are 5 beginner-friendly niches that people are using right now to make money, without recording a single thing themselves. Before we look at them, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Niche number 1, motivational shorts, use AI voiceovers plus stock footage to create powerful daily motivation videos. Tools to use, Pictory and 11 Labs. Niche number 2, AI tools and reviews. Show people how to use AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Pictory. This niche is hot and gets tons of views fast. Niche number 3, tech and gadget facts. Faceless videos showing fun, quick facts about cool gadgets and new inventions. Voice and footage, all generated by AI. Niche number 4, digital business ideas. Teach how to earn money online using digital products, AI services, or side hustles. Monetizes well with affiliate links too. Niche number 5, luxury and billionaire lifestyle. Show luxury cars, jets, and millionaire routines using copyright-free stock clips and AI voiceovers. These go viral fast because people love to dream big. Which of these 5 would you try first? Drop the number in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you're serious about making 2025 your AI income year.